All right, just finished my session, New York session. Today is, I think, 15th. Wait, I need to check that actually. Okay, crazy. Crazy. Today is 16th uh, day of this challenge. Um, yeah, crazy. Time goes fast. So I did two trades. I was waiting for a setup. I did a mistake on while uh, I wanted to actually stop recording. Click the stop recording button, and I instead of that I click the um, exit all market position this button, right? Yeah, and then I was like, okay. Then I was watching price action, but my intention was stop the record button, but I pressed the other button anyway. So I was waiting, and then price gave me another entry, and then it was like convincing one. Then I added very small position, and then added more to my position, and exited the trade very nicely. And the second trade was a little bit late. I just went to get a little bit more coffee, and then another trade happened. It was a little bit late. Like I said, I risk less. If price is convincing me, I'm gonna add more, and I manage my risk, right? That's how I trade, right? So and then I got good amount of profit, right? And just only two trades for the day. Yeah, that's it. So let's come tomorrow again and see what market wants to give us. Right? And by the way, if you are new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you want to buy a challenge, do not forget to use my coupon code as well, so you will get the best deal at that time. So see you in the next video. Enjoy the live session. All right, so this is the first trade I was waiting for. You can see very small risk, one MNQ. I was just waiting price to tap my entry, so I was just waiting at this point, and you can see what's happening. Price was really close to my entry, but it just teasing my entry and then going away. So you can see I'm still waiting. The before so previous clip I did a little bit fast forwarding because it takes some time to play, and in this clip there is something interesting happening. I was on the phone. It was an important call, and I was watching the price action, and at the same time I want to record for you guys. And now I was I wanted to stop recording, right? But mistakenly, instead of pressing stop recording button, I press the exit all market position button. So I don't know why and why I didn't enter again, but I think it because I was on the phone, and yeah, it was an important call, not a good thing, but yeah, it is what it is. You can see. So here is the first trade. You can see market exactly came to my entry and went up very nicely. Yeah, I did a mistake. Like I said, I exited all my position before. Anyway, I was on the call still. It was an important call and a long call. You can see I just entered right here when I see this bullish momentum to the upside and only one position, but I am waiting to add more, you know. So that's how I do. That's how I trade. If I see more momentum, I'm gonna add more, and I'm not gonna hold all the way because my risk is bigger then, right? That's how I trade. Yeah. Alright, so this is the next clip. You can see I have added more. I was patiently waited to add more, but I want to add it add more to this position because my plan is to ride this, hold this trade to that gap you can see above on this 1 minute gap. So everything, all the time frames looking good. You can see I just added another uh, two, so I have four positions now, but market is giving a lot of momentum to the upside. So you can see how I'm adding. I mean, I'm not just adding without any reasons, you know. I was patiently waited, retesting, and then I added. Since I see there's so much momentum, I want to add more. Now I just put 14 stops, 14 or 14 mm, lots stop by mistake. I actually didn't realize it that time, but then after like 1 minute or something like this, I realized it. So now I'm waiting to add more, but I'm actually waiting how this candle gonna do it thing. Yeah, because if it gives me more momentum, it's like rejecting and retesting those wicks and then closing above previous highs, right? See, I'm still waiting. I was going to add. Good that I didn't because there was 14 lots. Yeah, I mean, these things are happening. um, I think right here it's 14 lots still up. My goodness. Okay, now I just saw it. Okay, so now I add 4 stops. I just put it because sometimes market just wick to the upside, you know. So now I'm adding more, 5, 6, I think another one I am adding 7. All right, so that's the risk I did. I mean, if it reverse, I'm gonna cut this extra lots I added, right? That's how I manage. So and then I was waiting to give a little bit more profit, at least 200. So yeah, I'm waiting. I'm just patiently waiting. I could actually add another position right there, but I did not add because I am already running 7 plots. So all right, I think I was about to close the trade since it gives a nice momentum. can see, yeah, I mean this price is trying to fill this gap. That's why I'm holding it. I mean that's my plan. I will not hold more to to see if the price can break that high. I don't do that. I mean, I used to do these things before, but not anymore. Not me. So I'm exiting right there. I mean, this is what we're supposed to do, right? Okay, so this is the second entry. You can see the first entry exactly after I closed, just reverse from there and retest that zone. So I wanted to have some coffee, little bit more coffee, so I went from my chair and then I missed this entry, right? So I was late, but I'm since price is really good looking. I like how 5 minutes looking great, how 15 minutes looking great, and 1 hour there are more time to finish, right, in 1 hour candle, right? And I'm waiting to add to those highs, so I hold it to those highs. That's my plan. You can see how I do it. I think I will fast forward this little bit right now. You can see I'm adding very soon. I think right here, 2, 3, 4. Right? So if market is giving me like 100, I'm not, like I said, I'm not trying to see if it can make a new high. I don't do that. I'm only trying to reach those highs, because also the time is not in my side. It's late now for me. I mean, it was 11 o'clock or something like this. You can see this bullish momentum. And you might wonder how I manage my risk. If this gonna reverse on me, if it is going really below my other entries, right, I just cut those extra added positions. That's how I do it. I'm just waiting to price to give me a good reaction, right? So I just add another position because I was waiting some kind of small retracement. So I have 5 lots, right? And there's a small gap, and this area is actually dangerous area. Price can just go down from here because I don't think it can break, right? I think right here I'm already almost there. There you go. That's a trade, guys. Second trade.